Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make beautiful design on this watermelon. First we are going to peel the top layer like we're doing here. After this, take a sharp knife. Here we're going to make a beautiful rose flower. We're going to remove the fruit like this using this sharp knife. Make the petals like this and carve it like we're doing here. We are making this rose flower on this circle like this. Carve it like we're doing here and your rose flower is ready. You can make more such designs. We're going to make a beautiful design on this melon, so peel the top layer. Now we are going to make a circle. First we are going to carve these lines inside it using the sharp knife. Here we are going to make a flower and look, it's done. You have to make these V cuts on the top of it and you will get this beautiful design. Then put a pearl at the center. Similar way we are going to carve more flowers around it and make more designs like this. First we are cutting these circles and then these petal shapes around it and your beautiful flower is ready. Similar way you can add more patterns. You can increase the size like this and look, it is ready. Here we are going to use this mango, peel the skin. Now we are going to make a beautiful design like this. Make circles inside it. After this we are going to cut these semicircles. Here we are going to make a flower like this. Use a sharp knife and look, it's done. Similar way we are adding more details. We are cutting more deep circles around it. We are making a large flower and look, it's done. You can make more such designs and decorate your food plate for birthday parties or other occasions and look, it's done. We are going to make beautiful flower pattern on this watermelon. Here we are going to make a beautiful intricate design. So first we are making these flowers using this sharp knife. Similar way we are going to repeat the same process in a circular form. Now we are going to cut a heart shape like this and look, it's ready. Do the same from all its side and it's done. You can make more such designs for special occasion. It will look very pretty. We're going to make designs on this watermelon. So take this watermelon and carve this design using a sharp knife. Here we're going to cut a star-shaped design like this. Similar way we're going to repeat the same process. We are making spiral lines around it. Here we are going to make the designs on 4 partition like this and repeat the same process like we're doing here. The 2 sides are done. Now we are going to move forward the 2 other designs and look, remove the extra part and the design is ready. Let's make a design on this watermelon. So make a circle using this compass. Now we are going to carve the flower pattern inside it. So take a sharp knife and start cutting it like this and your flower is ready. After this we are going to make more petals around it. So start cutting it from its surrounding as well in a circular manner and look, it's ready. Further we are going to cut it and give more design. You can make as many pattern as you like and look how pretty this design is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.